The conservation of natural resources is the fundamental problem. Unless we solve that problem, it will avail us little to solve all others. Hello everyone, I am Manit Saini. Welcome to Manit Saini's World. In this video, you will find information about World Nature Conservation Day. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's start. Nature has provided us with many resources for our survival like water, air, soil, fuels, etc. We all take benefit of them and no doubt they have made our life much easier. We should remember that these resources are not unlimited and will exhaust one day. So we strictly need to think about the conservation of nature. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28 July to spread awareness to protect natural resources, the importance of nature in our lives and the necessity of conserving it. The concept of conservation of nature came into existence after the formation of the International Union for Conservation of Nature. In the year 2000, 193 countries under the aegis of UN adopted Millennium Development Goals. The seventh goal describes the efforts to conserve nature. An attempt to protect, maintain and balance the ecosystem and biodiversity is the conservation of nature. We can work in this field only after creating awareness of the environment. Saving plants and animals that are threatened with extinction is one of the primary focus of the World Nature Conservation Day. There is also an emphasis on keeping the various components of nature intact. These include flora and fauna, energy resources, soil, water and air. There are several initiatives that India has undertaken to conserve nature like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Project Tiger, etc. The day also recognizes that a healthy environment is a foundation for stable and productive society. There are many threats to nature like deforestation, population, illegal wildlife trade using plastics, chemicals, etc. Industrial development and several other factors are also responsible for the depletion of nature. There are many ways by which we can preserve our nature like planting of trees, recycling, reduce the consumption of water and electricity, reduce pollution, quit smoking, etc. Let us come together and make an effort to contribute to the local, national or global levels in conserving nature. It will not only benefit our present generations but also future generations. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.